Are you writing JAMB? Are you writing WAEC? Organic chemistry is here before us. Now I want to show you something here on this question. This is naming, right? I have been posting questions on organic chemistry on my normal Facebook post. Now I want to create a video on naming. Now the question, this is JAMB question, yes. It says the IUPAC name for the compound is what? Now there are rules to name an organic compound, right? Now the first one I will point out is you determine the longest continuous chain. Remember, I say longest continuous, not longest straight chain, right? Good. Now, by continuous, any side, whether they are going zigzag manner that the carbon is going. So far, there is a carbon to carbon bond you are following. Continue going, don't fear. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a branch chain, right? From here, you bend. You have 4 carbon. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend. You have 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. So this branch chain is 5. This straight chain is what? Is 5. Right? Good. So we can choose any one. If you choose this branch one, this one becomes a side chain. If you choose 3, this one becomes a side chain. Right? Good. So for easiness, so we can just say let's choose a straight one. Right? Now the next thing, determine the functional group in the chain. Now you have single bond and double bond. Yeah. Remember that single bond and double bond, triple bond, they are all functional groups, right? Now, since we have a single bond, single bond and a double bond, the double bond becomes the chief functional group there, right? It dominates. So that becomes a functional group. So the second law, after this, the next law you consider is what? Which side, the numbering now of the carbon, which side do you follow so that the number that carries the functional group will have the lowest possible number? If you follow from this from the right hand, this is carbon 1, carbon 2 carries the double bond. Even though that this double bond is between the second and third, carbon 2 carries it, but it's sharing it with carbon 3. Is that okay? Good. Now, carbon 2 carries it. Then if you start from the left, 1, 2, 3, carbon 3 carries it, sharing it with carbon 4. So we start here, so that carbon 2 will carry it. So that will be what? 2 in, alkene in the functional group. Then the position 2, so 2 in. Then the longest continuous chain is what? Pent, which is 5, right? That is pent. That is pent 2 in, right? We are getting there slowly. Then the last thing to consider here is what? The side chains. We now have to number them. So from here we followed. The number of carbon carrying the side chain is what? Second one and third one, and they are carrying the same substance, methyl. So because what? 2, 3. When you are separating two numbers, you use comma. But when you want to link number and alphabet, you use hyphen. So this is 2, 3 hyphen, right? 2, 3 hyphen dimethyl, right? We have known the side chain. Then the parent name is what now? Pent 2 in, right? Pent 2 in. 2, 3 dimethyl, pent 2 in. That is option what? Option B. 2, 3 dimethyl. Now look at, they want to confuse it here. 2, 3 dimethyl, pent 2, 3 in. Meaning that what? Pent 2, 3 in. That this in is between carbon 2 and carbon 3. Is a confusion. They want to confuse you to know in case you don't know how to name this. So this is a wrong answer. So it is this is the only carbon that has the sharing it to this. So it is not 2, 3 in, 2 in. How this is helps. See you in the next video.